man. As you guys can see, if you are new, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. On this channel, man, I take older cars, fix them up, build them, customization, the whole 9 yards. So right here, I got a 2006 Mercedes-Benz CLS 500. Now this car has been sitting for about roughly 3 years, and pretty much it was abandoned. So I went ahead and decided to pull the plug on it, and I went ahead and got it. There is a lot of cosmetic wear on this vehicle. As you guys can probably see right here, the suspension is all done. It's gonna need all new air suspension. It's gonna need pumps. Well, it's gonna need the whole new air suspension system, the air pump, and obviously the two front air suspension in the rear. So it's gonna need some new headlights. It's gonna need some new rotors, some new brake, some fresh oil, and stuff like that. The interior is not too bad, pretty dirty, but there's nothing wrong with getting it fully detailed. So pretty much I'm gonna be doing all the work myself, and I'm pretty much gonna wrap this car. Mention 392 Web on my boy ZoTV.tv. Hopefully they join me on this project right here. So if you guys are watching it, comment down below. A certain color. Once I get the passenger fender replaced, I had seen one on eBay for a good price. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, it does run great. So if you guys do want to see that, make sure you guys stay tuned for this build. I'm gonna pretty much give you guys a walkthrough. I'm gonna give you guys a little walkthrough around of the vehicle, show you guys how it looks. And if you guys did see the little B-roll, this is the dent that I was showing you guys. The trunk, it's not too bad. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So that's the trunk. As you guys can see, it has a whole bunch of built up dirt. Go ahead and open up this driver door. I don't know if you guys can hear it. That's the pump trying to air up the suspension, but it's done for. But this is the interior, you guys. Interior is not so bad. It will need probably some upholstery work. As you guys can see, it's not too bad. This is gonna have to get fixed. So, you know, it's not a bad vehicle. I'm gonna show you guys the engine bay in a second. Open up this door so you guys can get a better look. So, yeah, the interior is not so bad, you guys. Just need some love and some good detailing. Let's go ahead and pop this hood real quick. Get up underneath here. Grab that lever. All right. So I do gotta actually hold the hood up because the shocks are bad. So I gotta hold it up. But this is how it looks, you guys. I will say there is something that I will need to probably replace, but because I actually didn't see that stuff right here. Looks like coolant, but we're gonna get into that later in another video. But that's the motor, you guys. As you guys can see, I am gonna build this. I'm not putting big rims on here. I'm not doing any of that. So this vehicle will look classy, but luxury at the same time. I'm not gonna do too much to it. Just gonna fix it up, wrap it, put new headlights, get the rims repolished, new headlights. Of course, get a Benz logo for that. But overall, it's not a bad vehicle. If you guys do want to hear how this thing drives and see how it drives, how much power it has, make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see me do to this vehicle, man. Because I don't see a lot of people bring these cars back to life, but I'm going to bring this car back to life. Even though it's an 06, I'm gonna bring it back to life. Get at least about, let's get at least about 20 likes on this video. I'm gonna let you guys see how this thing burns rubber. I'm gonna let you see how fast it is. Runs good, very smooth. Them rims is tore up. These rims is tore up. Go ahead, show you guys so you guys can see. Gonna replace this, you know, clean it up, get this probably restitched, more than likely. I also have to fix this right here for the seat because it doesn't work, but for some odd reason it's not doing it right now. So yeah, man, there's nothing wrong with older cars, man. There's nothing wrong with it. So you just got to take care of it, love it, and it will treat you right. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention the actual fog lights down below is cracked, and the other side is cracked as well. So that's cracked, and this is cracked. So there's things that's minor. I don't know what's going on here. It look like somebody tried to tint that, but it don't look good. That's gonna get replaced. What else? Yeah, man, as you got, look how slammed the suspension is. It's like literally done for. Like, needs all new suspension. So usually when I fix up cars, I like to do things the right way. I don't want to half-ass it. So make sure I get a brand new suspension, brand new compressor. I will obviously, I don't think I got to replace this right here. This seems pretty good. It's just faded. Will need some, obviously it will need some windshield wipers. Let's see what else. Oh yeah, also we'll have to replace this. Get a new handle. This needs to be replaced. This is fine. What else? We'll go see how the other side looks. Let's see. Yeah, this side is okay, not too bad. This side, yeah, I'm gonna replace this because I want this car to be like damn near almost perfect. So I'm gonna put the work in. So that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. If you guys do hear a noise, that's the compressor trying to kick on. But there's obviously a blown suspension airbag in all of them because I don't see not one of them lift up. So that's all gonna have to be replaced. That's probably gonna be the first thing that I do because it does sit real low and driving it is really uncomfortable. But make sure you guys get this video. I'll leave about 20 likes and let you guys see how this car drives. And you guys are gonna see how it turns out once I'm done with it. So imagine how it looks now, imagine how it's gonna look when it's done. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.